Hey, to stop Microsoft Edge browser from opening automatically on the Windows 11, first of all, you have to open Start and now go to the settings. From here, you will have to navigate into the left panel and open apps, and now go to the default apps. And you will have to actually select any other browser application as default. So if you have also the Google Chrome on your computer, you will have to click on the search apps, input Chrome phrase. For example, you can also set, for example, like Opera GX or wherever you have. Let's say that we are going to do this with the Google Chrome. So click on it and then tap to set as default. And now, as you can see, those links will open for the Google Chrome, and here you can still make some manual changes. So if you want to open the PDF file from the Chrome instead of the Edge, just click here and select Google Chrome or any other browser. And that's how you can do this with every pull right here until you fill everything with the other brand browsers. And that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.